Gerald Ribuday, kailangan kong si Pia ko pa niya si Subaga
O yun, nakabunto.
Wala niya na sige siya mag-apot pang web si Dominic Ruby. Gerald lagi ang iyang kuya Brana. Dili oy, jinsan manggod. Jinsan eh. Dia ba ito? Bea? Sabi sayang si Pinsa man. Kim Domingo? Kim Domingo? Kim Domingo man itong ipang-paris sa gisla.
I was so desperate for people to like me. When I met these guys,
Inamin.
they took everything in my power to hide my insecurity.
Oh, feeling it. Yes, I'll go out with
Suddenly the rabbit makes sense.
Surprised you want to go to a sports bar, Shelby. Look at this blister. Like it or not, we're athletes now.
Oh, tsada lang naging
Trying to bar
wala
where I
naging
belong. Having female problems. If you're cranky and retaining water, I have a theory. Sheldon, instead of focusing on maybe dating other guys, maybe you should start thinking about dating another girl. That's ridiculous.
Hindi na niya.
Why? You never thought you'd end up in a relationship and then you get eaten. Maybe there's someone else out there.
Eh,
True. Penny's married to Kelly Bernard. Your girlfriend has red hair and white skin. It really rubs up against my brown coat.
dili ka. Dili lagi ka gidun sa unang.
You're forgetting something. Ladies love jobs. Excuse me. I'm recovering from a recent breakup, and I'm told asking out another woman might make me feel better. And as Ash Ketchum said to Pikachu, I choose you.
Ang ginita ba kung ingay ni mahal?
Friends.
I don't know what that means.
Well, we gave it a shot. How about you?
Siya password ano eh?
Sir?
Password.
Wala na yung standard.
Remote ka?
18, sir. 18.
Experience turning men down. This is so much fun.
Ang kanakon mo, gusto ako ng
Some guys have to turn down over and over. And sometimes it's very annoying. This is weird. Very creepy. Ask me out.
Namawala ng apps na sir, dali.
I told you things would change if you plucked your eyebrows. Hi, how are you? I was wondering if you'd like to get a drink after work sometime. What are you gonna do?
Sabay, gusto to.
I would eventually date other people, but this is happening so fast.
Ay, kaya di sila mabalik. Wak pa naabot ha, wak pa naabot.
A little less like
Ria! Wala pa nabot, Ria!
actually is not a weirdo. I don't know.
What happens if you naturally make it?
I smell funny. I taste salty. Sweaty, exercise.
Okay raw.
How many looks it would take to get to the center of me? You know, it only takes one doctor's finger. Hello. You guys want to go? You don't have to leave.
Lagi kaya na ng motor. Pang chicks raw ito. Ang motor ka na. Oo, baka na na bawa ka na. Oo, naman lang may kulat. Oo, meron may kulat.
He was there. I should let you know that he expressed interest in asking you out.
Kanay mo, kanister day. Anong yurong kamuak day? Ang taklo.
In 2 years, 364 days, he's a dead man.
Naulian, nakaganina.
Dahan kisig papa.
Mm.
Kuning share it.
I asked 2 women out today, and they both said no.
I didn't know you were interested in dating.
I've been told it's a good way to move on.
Okay.
Mapagkat ako ng best na ako.
Anyway,
Mariya, yung tago na una man eh.
Nice to see you.
Thanks. It tastes good, too.
Kapusin, hindi. 2 days na may sige kapusin. Lo, dili eh. Utog man, sunod una. Sunod na bana na sa nagkukurang tulingan bitaw. Ha? Kayo kaya mo. Ikaw lang. Sa mo nga siguro.
Siguro, ano na ka, nang malagos. Ang dahon ay bukaw. May bitaw nga. Magkalukot ang puso sa kuwan. Ano, dili mo yung mga ikaw nga.
No,
Ano, ginagito.
Sakitan kag dili inay chill
Mm.
para gitag mata.
Perhaps I should soften the blow.
Bilagod ang ulo.
Your face is pleasingly smiling.
angay lang. Angay lang na sa mga lipstick.
It's trying to scoop my superior cortexes. That kind of stinks. Why aren't you more upset that I softened the blow too much? Because it's you, it's more like a positive. Are you kidding me? You didn't even want me to soften the blow. We're talking blue underarms. You weren't you sweet?
Babae.
Solid and short end we do have. I need to make one citation study. You don't need much for that. True, but if it's successful, I'll be funny. Be honest. If the shoe was on the other foot, this would be no chance. Something else. What's honest?
Sa imo, ikaw na ba? Ikaw na sa pilit. Namukos yun ka. Eh, naka-testing ko na akong Turkey ang layan. Pasuway lagi. Ingay lagi. Kasi naka-testing na yun. Ako na siya po dahil. Ikaw sa nangyigit ay nagkasinti kaya.
And you lose the game, you have to that was Stuart.
I probably don't need to mention there's an entire number between that and 0.
So how does it work?
Well, shows me all the single penny within a 5-mile radius who are using the app. If I like the way they look, I hit thumbs up. If I don't, thumbs down.
What would make you give a girl a thumbs down?
First time it happens, I'll let you know.
Kiyatay. Kiyatay naman.
You're back in one thing we've got. Say, can't believe it. Really?
Magkatawahan rin yung mga katawan yun ang
January 7th, 2009, I was at the Ralphs at 11:30 p.m. to pick up crack from every other morning. And what did I see?
I was talking to you.
That's right. And what did you do?
You gave me the box directly and it wasn't right.
There's circuit ka na. Gusto niyo yung coffee na pero, yeah, gusto ko mo and bawal.
Basa lagi siya.
Yaan yun.
Experiment, so it's not like when Dr.
Sunod to siya niya. Ginainig sunog.
Living a Russian grown in an apartment with bare eyes.
Okay, namatay. Kami na ako ng kasaban mo niya. Sige, sige, sige. Sige, sige. Tulong na yun. Sa cross.
Science calls us to ignore the rules set by man.
Yung bomb niya.
Can't find that quote on the internet.
Tawa na lang lagi. Tawa lagi kung
Aren't you just need a sugar?
Abi yung
Which would have been sense had not set down.
teardrop tattoo mean murder in some way? And he said it.
One minute stay out later, you should have given me more spending money.
What are you guys up to?
What's out there?
Let me see.
Hindi ka tingugan. Kurang yun ang amang dito sa ulan.
What's wrong with that guy? He's Indian. We've already got one of those. She found a nice little
Hindi ka tingugan. Balik ko si Dixie si Juan. Thursday or Friday, then ka mo gata. Ang gano'n na mo kayo dahil. Alam, stay mo ka Thursday o Friday, hindi ka mo ata.
You may be familiar with it with the sentence, their bodies were found in an office with white candles.
Beach, muna.
Ako na, ang budgeta naman na ang rates ng pamilitis.
Hey, so,
Still,
I'm wondering, are you spending Kavanaugh?
Ang work,
great. You got the cash?
Sa imo ang isa.
How do we know that you're not going to take the money and drive away?
Dula siya kung sulit. That's
Exactly what 1970s television crime dramas have taught us. You give us the helium first. I don't know if I can drive away without paying.
Bili.
I don't want to watch some of these television crime dramas.
You can trust us. We're respected scientists.
Hindi, wala gyapon na.
Wedding planner who can't buy love himself. It's ironic, but the point is, we can't trust you. You're a sketchy character in a parking garage. From my perspective, that's how you two appear to me. I never thought of it like that. Quite frankly, reference was a sneak up on the moment.
My friend does make a decent point about your money. I don't feel comfortable just handing it over.
No money, no deal. Seems ready. Not technically. In chess, stalemate refers to a situation in which there are never made of moves. You have plenty of moves available. You can beat us up to get money. You can kill us. Really, you're only limited by your imagination. All these years I've been using stalemate when I really need impasse. I feel foolish.
I don't think it matters if this is a stalemate or an impasse or a Mexican standoff. What are we gonna do here?
Oh, how could it be a Mexican standoff? Everybody knows you need three sides for that. Not necessarily. Many argue that the essence of a Mexican standoff is that no one can walk away from the conflict without incurring harm. I don't follow. Let me give you an example. Earlier today, I decoded the headers of your email, and I know that your name is Kenneth Fitzgerald. From that, I figured out where you live and where you work. Now, to make this a Mexican standoff, I would say something like, well, you give us the helium or I'll turn you into the authorities. Is that a threat? Yeah, exactly. See, you're getting it. You know, I know where you work, right? If you mess with me, I'll torture, and I'll pound your asses into the ground. Perfect. Now we really are in a Mexican standoff. It's one of those times where I've won the battle but lost the war.
Right? So sweet.
I told you I shouldn't go shopping in Narnia.
All right, let's all just calm down. Just to report and
I'm out.
we're physicists and we're trying to prove a hypothesis that we've been working on for over a year.
Really?
Hypothesis.
Space-time can be interpreted as the surface of an n-dimensional superfluid. Could be. Go on.
Now there's the Swedish team of our paper. They're trying to lead us to our own discovery.
And I'm sorry I lied about being a wedding planner who can't find love. Although I am currently single if you know what.
Here's the money. Can we do this?
Okay. It's a shame about the science trip involved. I expected a higher ethical standard from our friends in Sweden.
It's actually pretty common in our field. Not much to do about it.
Well, for the right amount of money, if you know where they live, there's plenty we can do about it. Did you hear that, Lynn? There's plenty we can do about it. And you have a card.
Okay, here we go. Now everyone is. All right, where do we stand on cross-eyed Mike?
You know he won't be looking at other girls. What's that sitting on the end of his nose?
Okay, you guys can slow down. Next. Ooh, check out his tiny teeth. He looks like a man dolphin. Wait, if he's gonna bet she can run away.
Hey, I'm starting to feel guilty. Are we being a little mean? That's a fair point. We wouldn't make fun of someone like this to their face.
Look at Stu.
Ginawa, di ba?
You may want to leave the room.
Kaya sara.
Tataga?
Sara. Savings sa gyapon.
Bye-bye.
There's a national illegal reserve in Amarillo, Texas. If this was stolen from there, they're accessories to a federal crime. Let's not trust it. U.S. Air Force, U.S. Department of Defense, U.S. Navy, you and I are going to check.
Dali ka kasi.
Experiment has played. Transform, start taking surviving in order to afraid of
Sagay.
Okay, everyone remember the rule. Shirtless, one stick. Who else you want to try? Head and shirtless, shut like a dog.
Sara.
Dapat ako sa ulos.
Darating ko naman. Sige, ako.
Anyway, if you just give us our money back, you can have your helium and we'll be on our way. He has glasses and I'm a know-it-all. We are not those words. Well, you're just so I'll take the helium back.
Nasa iyo, pang gusto, kaya iyan, libre ako. Ako, wala, bale.
We clarify nomenclature together.
Uy! 100. 1 million.
You know what? It's fine. Keep the money. We just want to be done with this.
Kaya, piso naman yan.
I don't understand.
Ay, mali ko na. Na!
I don't know how they won $1,000 that got done already.
Kapag sa bato kay Kuchingin,
Yes, kasi kamita ha. Ano lang mga tataod, mga sure, mga stress no? Mga lasing ko.
Di ra na scotch tape, sir?
Oh,
Di na buwasan?
antod mga alas 5.
Ay, buwasan na scotch tape.
Ugma lang.
Ugma.
Ugma lang tanggala pero gamiton nimo mga alas 5 lang. Ikatong ibutang nako basa pa mo to siya. Dapat muuga to siya pag dili matandog-tandog. Para di siya mukhang kay kung ilabtan mo gud siya dito so ganun. Sige mito. Sige siya kanana. Dali ka siya mukhang mas maigi pa uga gud siya una.
Mga unsa oras ang ugma?
Ang pagtangtang sa tape. Kuan mga punap ang kuan yun mga tagal.
Buntag sa good morning. Gamit naman ka na niya.
Mga malasing ko lang kape.
Ibigay mo ito? Wala lang na ko sa na part daw.
Kana.
Oh, kami na lang sa kontro. Nani Migdana.
Wiper ni mo ni siya.
Sir?
Wiper ni mo ni siya.
Oo. Side dito.
Shout out po guys. Ibana Alawin. Ibana Alawin. John. Ay, doon dito sa mga John.
Hindi palong.
Wala na yung mga baboy.
Wala mo signal na. Diyo, din mo. SIM 1.
Oo.
Baboy direct.
Naguba na ang kusima na kay 20.
Naningala ko kay, ano yung mong iyo? Naraw.
Para siya.
Salamat na. Ay, sa gamita?
Sir?
Butang saan yun? Para safety gid siya ba? Sakit mo boss? Realme no? C11?